Burma prepares for a historic by-election in April, which could see the opposition leader Aung San Suu Kyi winning a National Assembly seat. But for thousands of internally displaced people living in camps in the so-called Kachin state, life remains as hard as ever. Every morning, 56-year-old Luchke Hung Sang boils hot water with firewood he collects from the mountains. The pastor says he fled his hometown Namsang Yang when Burmese soldiers went to his church and ransacked it.
Burmese soldiers arrested, tortured and killed our people, raped our women, burned down our houses and stole our properties. It only shows that they're trying to eliminate ethnic people like Kachin.
Kachins took up arms in 1961 to fight for independence after Burma broke free of the British Empire. Last year, hostilities erupted with a new force as the 17-year ceasefire collapsed and at least 60,000 Kachins were driven from their homes in an escalating crisis. And now they're struggling to preserve their culture and pass it on to the next generation. This school in Liza has over 1,000 students, mostly refugees, who are taught Kachin language. Food shortage is the biggest problem for the refugees. At Jayang camp, refugees from 37 villages get 2 tins of rice per person and some salt once in 3 days. As the majority of Kachins are Christians, the church has become the only shelter where they can find comfort and peace. Every Sunday, refugees like 70-year-old Nsen Ha, who last year fled her home for Liza, gather at churches for services.
If you have faith in God, it can really comfort us and it makes our life peaceful.
Reconciliation with the ethnic minorities who make up 40% of the population is widely seen as crucial for Burma's democratic future. Back in December, President Thein Sein ordered his troops to stop fighting in Kachin state. He seems keen to end the decades-long conflict. However, Thein Sein's ceasefire order in Kachin state does not yet seem to have had an effect on the people living here. Deborah Baskin, BBC News.